Walking through the mountain woods, early April rain, green leaves rising through the soil, spring returns again. Ramps grow in the shaded hills, rich and quiet ground, soft green leaves and purple stems in little patches found. And ramps smell like onion, garlic in the air. Break a leaf and take a breath, that's the forest share. If the leaf has no scent at all, leave it where it lay. Lily of the valley grows just the same way. Pick a single leaf, not two, leave the roots below. Take a little from the patch so the ramps still grow. Butter, eggs, or soup in spring, simple mountain way. Good food from the forest floor.